Let me guess, you were late to work because your alarm didn't have any sound, so you searched up why and how to fix it. Here are a few steps to make sure your alarms are set correctly. First, check your volume. Press the volume up button and make sure the ringer volume is turned all the way up.
And make sure that your phone is not silent.
Next, go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, and adjust the ringer and alert slider. Turn off Change with buttons to prevent accidental adjustments. Now open the Clocks app and select your alarm. Tap Sound and make sure it's not set to none. Choose your preferred alarm sound. And that's it. Your alarm should ring loud and clear. Follow for more iPhone tips.